Avocados are not only good for our bodies but also for our natural hair. On this channel, I teach you how to care for your hair and also how to grow your hair faster with DIYs using natural ingredients from your home. I used to have relaxed or permed hair and chemicals damage my hair, and thanks to all these DIYs, I've been able to grow my hair much faster, thicker and fuller. So if you're someone who really wants to grow their hair or know how to care for their hair as well as learn simple hairstyle tutorials, then you are at the right place. So make sure you subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you'll be notified. Without further ado, let's get into it. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So make sure you're watching this video to the end because towards the end I'm going to show you the best way to use this treatment to boost your hair growth, and give this video a thumbs up right now. The first ingredient we're going to use is an egg. Eggs contain vitamin A and E as well as biotin, which are great for our natural hair. Avocados are really good as a deep conditioner to the hair. It helps strengthens and nourishes the hair. So if you're someone with dry hair, avocados are really great for your hair. We're also going to add some coconut oil. Coconut oil is really lightweight and great for our natural hair. It can help prevent dandruff, add some silk and shine to your hair, and help you grow your hair much faster. Of course, we cannot do without shea butter because shea butter can also help moisturize your hair, prevent hair breakages, and add some shine to the hair. And guess what we're going to add next? Our olive oil. You know I love my olive oil. Olive oil can help prevent dandruff. It can also add some shine and silk to the hair. Okay, so with the next ingredient, I would love you to come to the store with me to find it. And hey guys, if you're still watching this, you know how we do. We here show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more DIYs. And look at that bad boy. This is exactly what we are looking for, the aloe vera leaf. So this is the best one. I'm going to bring it home and I'm going to prepare the juice out of it. You can use the already aloe vera juice from the store. I have a link in the description box. You can purchase it with my Amazon affiliate link, and I also have other products in this link that can help you grow your hair. So feel free to check this link, and using my link I get a little commission to support my channel, but guess what, it does not add any extra cost to your final purchase. So feel free to use my links to purchase some of these products from the Amazon store. But I'm going to prepare my own aloe vera juice, and this is how I'm doing it. So I just wash it, get the juice out of it, and I'm going to blend it away like no one's business. Then after that, you do not want that pops in your hair, girl. You need to strain it. And I'm using my strainer today to get the juice out. And look at that. Oh my goodness. The slime to it. I just love aloe vera gel because it helps with my hair growth. It helps moisturize my hair and keep in the moisture. Okay, so this is what we're having now. Our aloe vera gel is ready, and look at that. So we're going to add it to the other ingredients. And wait. Slow down, girl. We are not done with the recipe. But let me tell you this before I forget. Before you use this hair mask, make sure you wash that hair, girl. Do not forget to wash the hair before applying the mask. Let's go back to the recipe. We are not done yet. Let's blend it together like no one's business. And I'm having so much fun filming this video, and I hope you're also enjoying watching. So do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more DIY videos like this. Each time I upload videos like this, you're gonna be notified. And this is what we're having now. Look at that yummy look. Okay, so at this point, the recipe is all ready. We have our hair mask, and I'm going to show you the best way to use this hair mask. So before you start, I already told you, make sure that hair is washed with your hair shampoo. Then after that, you're going to apply it into sections. You can part your hair into 2, 3, 4, or any number that you want. Just make sure that hair is parted, and you're using this mask in section. You rub it in there, get it to every part of the hair. Get it into the scalp, get it into the root, get it into the ends. Every part of this hair needs this yummy mask. Then after that, just put in a twist and hold it to hold on the moisture. And hey guys, this mask will help retain moisture in your hair. If you're someone with dry, brittle hair, split ends, hair breakages, hair damages, you need some kind of protein treatment every now and then, and this is what you need. Whenever you use this, make sure you are rubbing it in the hair. And before I forget, when you're going to wash this out, do not use hot water. Otherwise, you're going to have cooked eggs in your hair. And you spend the whole day picking out eggs from your hair. There are better ways that you can cook eggs, not in your hair, girl. So this is how my hair is looking now. I'm going to cover it with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. But guess what? Your girl was starving. I needed to eat something. And this is what I'm going to have today. I want to hear from you in the comment section. I want you to guess what this food is. And I also want to know where you are from watching me and whether you have tried something similar to this. And always remember to drink your water. Did you know drinking a lot of water can also boost hair growth? Do not forget to be drinking that water, especially during those hot summer seasons. This is my hair after 30 minutes, and I'm going to take it down. And look at that. Just look at that. Aside the fact that those curls are popping. P to the O to the P, P, P. That hair is so soft and well moisturized. And I'm going to wash it out with my regular shampoo. I use the Cream of Nature sulfate-free shampoo and also their conditioner. And this is how my hair is looking. There is no products in my hair, but look at how soft it is. Girl, you need to try this. Then after I just go on with my normal routine, I put in my leave-in conditioner. Then I went in with my ginger and clove oil. Guys, this oil is the bomb. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe in the description box. So make sure to stop by to check it out. And this is my hibiscus and cloves batter. I also have the recipe to this. You know, I got you with all my DIYs for my hair growth. So I'm going to leave the link for you. And look how moisturized and how beautiful my hair is looking. Do not forget to put that hair in a protective hairstyle because you do not want to lose that moisture. And hey, before I forget, we need to do this recipe. We need to keep our hair moisturized for more than 2 weeks. And this is a recipe that will help your hair be moisturized. We're going to use the Vaseline today. Vaseline can help grow your hair faster. It can keep your hair moisturized for a very long time and also help you retain moisture. So I start by just picking, just depending on the quantity that you are making, just eye gauge it. No measurements to this. Pick up some Vaseline and put it in a container like so. Okay, girl, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell. So each time I upload DIYs like so, you'll be notified. I'm going to add some oils to this recipe. The first oil is the Jamaican black castor oil. Also, the extra virgin olive oil and my coconut oil. I have links to purchase all this in my description box, so make sure to check it out. These oils will help you moisturize your hair. It can also help prevent dandruff and help you grow your much faster and thicker. I'm going to stir everything together and put it in a boiling water like so. Leave it for about 10 minutes or till everything melts together like so. And this is what we're looking for. This oil is going to do so much goodness to your hair. Oh my goodness. I don't even know how to explain it. But wait, I'm going to show you the best way to use this to boost your hair growth. So make sure you're watching to the end. Do not skip any part of this video. After this, we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 5 to 10 minutes or till it solidifies. And this is how it's looking now. Looking all yummy and this grease, guys, if you haven't tried anything on my channel, you better give this a try. If you are someone with dry hair and your hair easily breaks, you need this grease in your life. I'm going to show you 2 ways to use this to help boost your hair growth and also to prevent hair breakages. The first method is to rub it on your fingers and rub it on your edges. If you're someone losing your edges, if you have some bald spots, split ends, just rub it in and this will help prevent you losing your hair. And also the second method that you can use this treatment is to retain moisture. So after all the good treatments that we did, after putting your hair in a protective hairstyle, in 3 days time, 3 days guys, you need to go back in your hair and re-moisturize it. Do not leave your hair for a very long time after you put your hair in a protective hairstyle. And this is how you can use this grease. So when you start, you just spray your hair with water. You go in with your leave-in conditioner. I use the Mills conditioner today. I have a link to that in my description box, so you can feel free to check it out. And after that, you go in with this grease. Just rub it in. Make sure you get it into the roots to the ends. Look at how shiny and well moisturized that hair is. It's all silky. If you use this treatment, your hair is going to be moisturized for a very long time. This treatment together with that protein treatment we just did will moisturize your hair, prevent hair breakages, and help you grow your hair much faster. Look at that. Look at that, guys. My curls are also popping. Look at how silky and shiny that hair is. Are you telling me you're not going to try this? No, 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 no way. Girl, you need to give this a try and let me know your honest review on it. So I'm going to go through the process again so you know the right way to use it. So after, every good treatment, 3 to 4 days, you want to go into your hair and re-moisturize it. You go in with water, just make sure you massage the water in your hair. That hair should be damp before you add anything to it. You go in with your leave-in conditioner of your choice. After that, you detangle your hair. Then you go in with this bomb grease. You just rub it in the hair. Make sure you are getting it into the ends, the roots, every part of the hair. Look at that hair, guys. Come, no, wait. Come a little closer to the screen. You are too far. Just look at that hair. The curls are popping. I hope you enjoy watching this video just as I enjoyed filming. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before you leave, make sure to click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch it. You're gonna love it. See you on my next video. Bye.